Okay, welcome back. Here's our project for today. DIY cable ties galing sa shampoo bottle. Here's my little contribution to save the planet. Sorry. Maganda naman, di ba? Don't get me wrong. I have lots of Velcro, the brand from the US, as you can see. They're just too expensive. I find 8 pesos per tie a bit expensive. Don't you think so too? Besides, they get caught up with other Velcroes or would attract strands of fiber na mahirap linisin. My main gripe is nawawala ng mga bata to kaya nangihinayang akong ubusin. Medyo maliit ang project natin kaya it requires precision tool or small knife like X-Acto or blade. Made various sizes already for various applications so you can see, appreciate what we can do. So let's start. Here's the plastic bottle. Depends sa lapad na gusto nyo. You can start with a 1 inch by 4 inches strip. And then we'll make the buckle side first. Make 3 small holes about a millimeter thin. Mas manipis, mas maganda. Para hindi kaagad kumalas yung belt dun sa strip later. Ingat po sa blade. Alright, now we're ready to make the belt. For the belt, we have to draw 2 parallel lines. They should be perpendicular to... Wow, bigat ng term. I mean, the line should be as wide as the tiny holes we created earlier. Then trim away excess parts. Straighten the edges. Make it beautiful, attractive, mukhang binili. Ayan, ang dali lang, di ba? Game na!
Opening games mga subscribers ko. Only 1 comment per subscriber will be accepted. Do not edit your answer. First comment with the correct answer wins. The game will run for a week or until I've acknowledged the correct answer or whichever comes first. Otherwise, the load value will be added to the next video. So have fun you guys. Thank you.
So up for grabs, 200 peso smart load. Nasa description po ang tanong, pakibasa na lang. Thank you, para maiba lang. Sorry po, thank you. Until the next one guys, thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.